Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can see previous Discord servers you joined. So the first step, you need to search for the Discord, click on that, and the first method is you simply need to click on this plus icon and click on join a server. If you have the invite link, you need to copy that and you can join or you can see your server. But let's suppose if you do not remember the server link, and might be you do not, so you need to click on you in the right bottom, click on the gear icon on the top right, click on privacy and safety, scroll down, and in the bottom you can see request all of my data, and click on request my data, and you will receive your data on to your registered email, and in that data you will find your previous joined server. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.